Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing a part 2 of my Amazon Best of Beauty. If you haven't watched part 1, I'll link it down below. Basically, it was all about like beauty tools, skincare. I also did self-tanners, things like that. But today I'm doing nails, hair tools, and makeup. I have so many different products to share with y'all, so I'm super excited. Everything will be linked down below. I also have an Amazon shop tab with all my beauty recommendations. But let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon videos and follow me on Instagram for all the updates. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So starting off with nails, I have a ton of different nail supplies, mostly fake nails because I usually do mine at home. These were not done by me. I'm not that talented, but I love getting nail supplies off Amazon because they are so affordable. So have a ton of different options. For ready to go fake nails, I have this pack that is like pinkish with the French tip. Really easy to apply. I just do a glue from either Target or Walmart. I'll link it down below if y'all are interested. And then there's also these that you can easily paint over. These are like oval shaped. I love this brand. And then these are probably the best value and honestly just the best ever. Basically, it comes in a huge pack. You can get 2 different lengths, so these more like coffin shaped, I believe, or these rounder ones. I usually cut mine, and y'all went crazy over these earlier this year. They were like the #1 bestseller for the longest time. They are amazing. They look so nice and put together if you're in a pinch. And I love how many color options it comes in. For like, I think $16, you get like over 200 nails. And then for when I have the time and I want to make the effort to do my own nails to last a little longer than those, I do these tips because my nails tend to be pretty short and uneven. So I have 2 sets of those because I go through them a ton. They're amazing just to like add like length to your nails, and they last so long. And then with that, I use this little tool. This was like maybe $5, and it's just an easy way to cut your nails. I use this on the tips, but I also use it on those when they're a little too long for me. And then a few random things. This is an electric filer that I got off Amazon. It's all super inexpensive. I do my toes with this. So easy. I also bought my mom one. It's truly incredible, and you can get them for super inexpensive. If you buy like one nail thing off this video that everyone could benefit from having, it's definitely like an electric nail filer. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the kit that I got initially. I love this brand Beetles, and they sell a kit, just like a starter gel kit, that comes with the UV lamp, a ton of different tools, the top and base coat, and a few different gel polishes. I'll put it on the screen that everything that comes in that kit, and it's pretty inexpensive. So that's the first thing I purchased. Then to add to that, I started purchasing these sets of the gel polish, which are truly incredible. It is my favorite brand. I've tried different brands before. They don't work as well. I love how they have the colors at the top. It makes it so easy to see. You can get a set of 6 for like $9. They are the best gel polishes ever. They last so long. It is the only thing I use on my toes, and it's great to do nail art. Then moving on, I recently purchased their dip powder kit. So it came with the activator, the top and base coat, and a brush saver, and all these dip powder colors. Y'all, so many, and I swear it was like $30 or something crazy. So these are great if your nails are nice and healthy and long, because they really don't damage it as much as the UV lamp does. I will say I love doing dip powder nails with these tips because, like I said, my nails are super uneven. But out of all the dip powder kits I've tried off of Amazon, and trust me, I've tried so many, not only is this the best value, but it's the one that works out the best. So I have the nude one, but you can get a ton of different ones, and I just keep everything in this box. And then I got these recently to do nail art. I got that for like $5. It comes with little dots and also little brushes, and I've tried to do a few nail designs. It works okay. If you're more talented than me, I'm sure you'll love it. So this is a little random. I've had this for years. I think I got recommended this back in 2018. I used to bite my nails. Sometimes I still do. This tastes like hell. It's so disgusting, but it really works. So if you have like a teenager that wants to stop biting their nails, or yourself, like I do it as like a nervous tick, this is amazing. It really helps you to stop biting them. Like I said, it tastes disgusting. I get it off Amazon. It's less than $15, I believe, and it comes in a 2-pack. So those are all my nail must-haves. Honestly, I've tried polygel. I hate that. I've tried a ton of different dip powder kits. Like I said, I've tried different gel nail polishes. These are like my go-to. If I had to repurchase my nail collection, this is where I would go. I told y'all recently about all my hair tools that I have. Just like I like to try different ones, especially to review them for y'all, but these have been like a few years in the making. So before I get into it, I have all of these, right? The best thing that I've ever purchased off Amazon is this hair straightener. So it's in the shape of a brush. It's $50 or less. Sometimes there's coupons. I got it recently. I've been talking about it nonstop. It was one of the best sellers. I could go on and on. Just give it a try. There's free returns if you hate it, but I doubt you will. It's probably out of everything. And I have the Dyson Airwrap. I have straighteners. I have so many different things. This is my #1 hair must-have right now. On that note, before one of you recommended that, I tried all these different ones off Amazon. So let's start off with the very famous and popular Revlon One Step Volumizer. This is nice. I will say I definitely prefer the Dyson Airwrap over this. I haven't touched this in months. So bold this here, just being needy. I haven't touched this in months. It's a little too damaging. You can see kind of like my hair. However, like a lot of people love this. I used to love this before trying different ones out. So it is definitely a nice thing to have, especially if you don't want to splurge, because it is very affordable. Also, Amazon has a ton of dupes right now. I think the Revlon one is around 50 bucks. You can get dupes for like 25 and they all do the same thing. So that's a good option if you don't want to splurge. Then we have this one. So this is definitely like bigger, bouncier, kind of like a blowout look. This is great because it's smaller, so you can really get that like nice wave, nice curl. So this is like around $30 and you get 3 different heads. So you get this little like straightener brush. This is kind of like the same idea as this one, kind of like a blow dryer. And then this one gives you like more looser curls, which is fun for like a beachy look. And then this one is perfect for like that nice blowout, I was about to say aesthetic, yeah, like a nice like bouncy curl blowout. I don't know how to explain it, but these are great, especially for the price. It's a great value. Speaking of great value, obviously I said this is my favorite, but mostly this just straightens my hair. These are my go-to curling irons or curling wands. I'm not really sure of the difference, but they're literally like $6 to $10. So I have this one. Y'all, I've had these for years as well. This is a 1-inch. I don't know how to clamp my hair, by the way. So I literally just wrap it around, but it still looks so good. And they heat up super quickly. And then this one is the 1 to 1.5 inches, I think. So this one is definitely looser. This one is more beachy. I'm completely obsessed. I believe everyone should have one of these because they're so inexpensive. But if you want to have like all-in-one and you don't want to worry about having too many tools, want to be a little more minimalistic, if you will, this is the way to go. So for less than $50, you get this curling wand with a ton of different attachments that gives you different looks. So you get like a thicker one for like something similar to this. You get thinner ones, super thin ones where you can do like very tight curls. So many different looks, so inexpensive. And honestly, I love this one because of the material. It like makes your hair super nice and shiny. So there's a ton of different options, a little something for everyone. Like I said, my must-haves are definitely this one and then one of these, depending on what look you're going for. Then I got a few more hair essentials. So recently I got this brush off Amazon. It has like over 40,000 5-star reviews. So I wanted to change it up from the wet brush. I've been loving it so far. It is only $11. Then this has been the star of the show on my channel for a while now. It is very similar to Olaplex. Basically, it's kind of like a protein treatment for your damaged hair. It's amazing because it's only $6. It has so many 5-star reviews. It is just like the best hair mask ever. So I highly recommend trying it if you have damaged hair. If you're looking for a great high quality, like very research brand, Living Proof is amazing, and I love their dry shampoo. It is my go-to. Currently in my hospital bag I have one that's like a travel size, but I literally used this morning. It is probably one of the best dry shampoos I've ever tried and totally worth the money. And then this is one of those hair wraps. It comes in a 2-pack and it is my go-to for drying my hair after the shower because it really helps not to damage it as much, and I swear to God it makes it dry quicker. So for like I think $9 you get 2 of them. And life hack, I love taking this with me when I travel anywhere because usually I'd use an extra towel. So instead you just carry this and it's a game changer. So highly recommend if you like to wrap your hair in a towel because that is actually super damaging. So to be perfectly honest, I don't buy a ton of makeup from Amazon, not for any like particular reason. Just like I usually pick up makeup like every once in a blue moon when I go to Target. So these are a few of my must-haves that you can get off Amazon. Literally this dog is being the neediest ever. He literally just sat here and like moved everything. Look at his tail. Hi, I'm trying to film. We're in the nursery and I swear he like senses the baby coming because he's been acting insane. Yes, I'm talking about you. Thank you. Can I have a paw? Nope. Can I have a paw? Give me your paw. Give me your paw if you're gonna interrupt my video. No, give me your paw. Thank you. Okay, let me get him out. Okay, so for brows, I have 2 things that I use and that's it. Basically, this is my go-to brow pencil. It is the Universal Brow Power by IT Cosmetics. You can get it off Amazon for around $18. One side is a spoolie, one side is the pencil. It's not too thin, but not too thick. And it is a universal color. It's kind of like a taupey color. So there it is. It is a perfect shade for so many different hair colors and it is my go-to. I'm obsessed with this. And then as a brow gel to set my brows, I use this. So for $6 you get a 2-pack and you get a spoolie, and this is basically to give you the look of those soap brows. Incredible. It lasts you so long. I honestly should give this away to a friend because this whole thing is gonna last me my entire lifetime. All you need to do is wet the spoolie and then you like swish it around here and then it really keeps your brows in place. I haven't bought a single brow gel in like months since I purchased this because it works so much better. And I have 2 mascaras that I love. One is super inexpensive. It's by Maybelline and it's a Lash Sensational. Maybelline honestly makes the best mascaras. And I believe they're a partner of Amazon, so you can get all their products on Amazon for like the same price as Target. Sometimes even cheaper because they have discount codes. So favorite drugstore mascara, and then a little bit more high-end is the Honest Beauty mascara. This one is so cool because one side, this side right here, is a primer and then this side is a mascara. So let me show you because the brush is amazing. So it's very nice and thin, which I love because it doesn't clump up my lashes. It makes them look so long and like kind of like voluminous without making them look clumpy. So there's the primer and then here is the actual mascara. Incredible, really gets in there, separates your lashes. I cannot say enough good things. You can get it off Amazon and honestly at Target as well. So this year I've been on a kick of using tinted moisturizers instead of foundations, and y'all, I swear by these. They're literally $5. You can get every single shade off Amazon. They are the best quality and I cannot believe the price tag, honestly. I will say I have a few different shades just because when I tan, I like for my skin to look a little bit more tan as well. My face I mean, but the best formula, I use a brush though, not a beauty blender, because it will soak up the entire product if you have dry skin. I swear by these. 2 super nice lip products. This one is a lip balm. It is the Brazilian like Bum Bum Cream type deal by Sol de Janeiro. So nice and thick like the tube is, and it's worth every single penny. I love splurging on lip balms. It's like my one weird thing. Get it on Amazon Prime. It's super nice and moisturizing. It smells incredible. Just try it out. I didn't realize these went viral on TikTok. I've been using these for so long. So this is kind of like a plumping lip gloss that doesn't sting at all. It makes your lips look so big. You can get them like this. This one is kind of like not matte, but like it has no shimmer, or you can get it with glitter. There's so many different shades. This is $4 and it works better than like my high-end lip glosses. I cannot recommend it enough. Also from Maybelline. Also, this shade was Stone, if any of you are wondering. Then lastly, sunscreen. I wish I would have had this when I filmed the initial video, because this is kind of like a body care situation. So the brand is Supergoop. Y'all have been trying out their sunscreens. They are the best ones. But this is incredible for your face. I like to use this under makeup and it makes my like makeup go on flawlessly. And it protects my face without making it like cakey or making me break out or leaving a white cast. You can also use this just by itself. It is totally worth the money. This tube is gonna last me so long. I already know it because I've had it for weeks and I'm not even like making a dent. So if you're looking for a great face sunscreen, this one is worth every penny. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Please let me know what is your #1 beauty must-have that you get off Amazon. And like I said at the start, which video you want me to do next. Like I said, I'm gonna do a best of pet stuff, but I don't know what else to do. So if you have a category that you're dying for me to do, definitely let me know in the comments, because I would love to do it for y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.